Pour Coca-Cola over soap for a genius cleaning hack. First, grate a bar of soap and place it in a pot. Add 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to cover the soap shavings. In a glass, dissolve a tablespoon of baking soda in water. It's a quick and proven method. Then add it to the pot with the soap and Coca-Cola. Cook the mixture over low heat. It will start to foam, which means it's ready. Once the mixture reduces by half, transfer it to containers and seal them tightly. Let it set for a few hours. Once solid, use it to restore your favorite pots. Just rub the mixture onto a sponge and wipe the pot. This formula is gentle on non-stick surfaces and works like magic. You'll be amazed at how easily it removes tough stains and grime. Plus, it's an eco-friendly solution that saves you money on commercial cleaners.